back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on how I make buttons on my button machine. Now, I was making buttons to send for my orders that I got this week, and I posted a picture on Discord, and someone asked me if I had made a video on it, and I had made a detailed video, so I wanted to go ahead and do that in case you're interested in how to make buttons and what type of materials you need. Now, as you can see, I have 3 different button machines. I think I pointed out before that the 2 on the outside, one I got from Amazon and the other one I got from eBay. I love both of the machines, but I'm just going to say they were cheaper, and sometimes with cheaper price you get cheaper quality. Right now, this is my 2.25 button machine and it works great. I like it, but I don't feel like either one of them are as good as the one I got from American Button Machines. Now, I'm not affiliated with them in any kind of way. I've just had this machine for a little while and I really love the way it works. I'm gonna try to hold it up. It's pretty heavy. And you can see there's the name and there is a number on there. They also have a Facebook group. I can try and link that down below in case you want to join and ask any kind of questions. The reason why I prefer this machine over the other 2 is because with the other 2, sometimes the buttons do not come out all the way great. So I just prefer this one. And these are the buttons that I made and included with my order. So you are going to see me make this button. Okay, when I ordered my button maker, it came with 25 supplies. So you're going to need 3 parts in order to make a button. You're going to need this little clear circle here, which is called a miler. And the other 2 pieces, I'm not exactly sure what they are called, but this is the top piece. And then this is the back side of the button. So what you want to do is get your image, and this is my image. I don't know if you can see how clear it shows up, but I use an HP color laser jet printer, and I print my images out on laser paper. And I feel like the paper, the quality is so much better. When I first started printing out, I was using photo paper and it was a little thick, and honestly I didn't like the way it showed up. So I just use this HP presentation paper, and it is for a laser printer or a regular printer. Now, I will say that in order to get a perfect circle, because mine are not perfect, I kind of cut mine out with scissors. You can buy a circle punch. Just make sure you buy one from the place. I'm not going to say the place that you get your machine from, because if you get it from Amazon or eBay, it'll come with a little circle cutter tool, but I did not like those. American Buttons, they sell punches and different kinds of little cutters, so you can cut your image out pretty good. But for me, they're kind of pricey, and the scissors work right now. You can also go on Etsy, and they have templates to where you can get the correct template for your button maker, and then you put your image there, and then you just cut around that circle, and it's a little bit better. But I am using scissors, and with scissors, like I said, the edges can be a little bit jagged, and sometimes that'll mess your button up too, so you want to be careful with that. But that's what I use right now because that's what I have. So we're going to go ahead and make a button. I'm going to try to zoom in so you guys can see. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is grab this little piece here and then lay it down. Okay, I wanted to give you guys a closer look, so I'm kind of holding this phone in my hand, so if it's a little shaky, I apologize. But what you're gonna do is take this little silver piece, make sure it is just one, and you can tell which end to lay it down on. Actually, if you put it in the wrong one, it won't even fit. So I've already got one laid down. And then I'm gonna take my image and it's gonna lay on top. And then you wanna get a mylar to lay on top of that. And these things, the mylars sometimes kind of stick together. So you wanna make sure that you only have one, because if it comes out accidentally two, then it won't press the button right. So you're gonna lay that mylar down right on top of your image. You're gonna try to get that mylar as straight as you can. And then with this machine, you just turn it and then it'll click when it stops. And then you'll take this piece. And then I like to look at the back of the button so I can line it up pretty good. I'm still working on that because sometimes it won't be exactly straight. So now that I have that in, I'm gonna go ahead and take this handle, pull it down, and kind of hard. Alrighty, now you're gonna lift it up. And then just like magic, that piece is gone. So you're gonna pull the handle again, and this is a step where it's gonna connect the button, the backing to the actual button. So again, you're gonna grab the handle and then press down. And it's not really hard to press down at all. That's what I love about this machine. It kind of does a double press, where these two machines on the end, I feel like the press down isn't hard enough to stick. So you raise it back up. Turn it. And there's your button. And this is what it looks like on the back side. And this is how cute it is on the front. So again, there's just 3 parts that go to the button. They're really simple to make. And my machine came with 25 pieces to get me started. I'm almost out. I need to get some more. But this is the way that I put my little buttons in a bag. And I'm going to show you what my orders look like. These are the cello bags that I get from Amazon. I'll link them down below if you want to get any. The buttons fit perfect in there. And this button machine, it is a 1.25. They come in a variety of sizes. A 1.0, 1.25, 1.75, 2.5, and so on and so on. You just have to check the website and see which size that you like. I believe the 2.25, the 3.0, and the 1.0 are the most popular right now. So I'm going to show you how I packed up my orders. All right, so these are some of the orders that I received this week and worked on. All of these are for asthma inhaler cases. So I use clear bags and I just put the cases on this side. And then on the other side, I included 2 business cards and then a button. I used to do the buttons where I just put it in the bag with the order, but I was afraid that, you know, if somebody didn't check the bag, they wouldn't see it. So I wanted to include it in the clear wrapping so that it will be easy to see. But these are all going off today. And the good thing about this machine too, I love the fact that when you're done, you can just let the handle down and it doesn't take up very much room at all. These right here, the handles are so long on them, so you can't really stick them like under a table or anything like that. If you wanted to, you gotta probably take this off. So if you have any questions about buttons, about either one of these machines that I have showed you today, leave me a comment down below. If this video has helped you in any kind of way and you enjoyed it, please like the video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Right now, I am only including these buttons with my orders that I get, but hopefully soon I will be having them available for purchase on my Etsy shop. So I'll link my Etsy shop down below if you like to go favorite it and check back and see if the buttons have been loaded if you're interested in purchasing. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.